So they told me I need to be
So
there
what early you
They
done?
need to bring it to me, and I have to be there, and I have to get it done and be able to check whatever I can check. Good morning, Philippines!
Guys, nagtubig lang ako dito. Look. Tinubigan ko lang yung mga halaman natin. Doon. Tinubigan natin. So ngayon, kuha tayo ng tubig. Dito meron pa pala ito. So, tubigan natin itong mint kasi parang namamatay na. Mayong aga pala sa inyong lahat dyan. Ito yung aga natin. And pangit tignan, no? Kasi ang daming anik. Pero alam nyo ba, hindi nagustuhan ng brown hog, yung hot sauce at saka yung cayenne. Hindi nagustuhan ng brown hog. So hopefully hindi na talaga siya babalik, di ba? Kasi alam nyo na. So ito malapit nang magbulak. Magbulak na yan. At saka yung roses natin dito, okay naman. Okay naman yung roses. Masaya, diba? Ito maraming bulak. Magbulak na ito. So yan, maaraw ito, ang ganda ng kahoy na to talaga. Sobrang nagagandahan talaga ako sa kahoy na yan. Japanese maple. So yan, at saka ito guys, hindi ko mag-gets, hindi ko siya naintindihan. Masaya naman siya, pero may mga dahon na hindi ko talaga maintindihan. Masaya siya, pero may mga dahon na ganito nagfa-fry, brown siya, bang tigasin ba? Yun yung hindi ko mag-gets. Lack of water or too much water, hindi ko mag-gets, pero masaya siya. Look. So yan, ito siya guys, maganda guys. Look. Oh my god, I thought may animal. Akala ko may coyote. Nagulat ako. So ito siya, maganda siya guys, pang boundary. So bibili ako nito next time. Pero parang nag-yellow siya yung iba. Pero yung dalawa yung nakuha ko. Ito siya. Look, ito. At saka ito. So, yun. Maganda talaga siya. And also, may yung previous owner, may sila doon, nilagay na bulaklak na every year tutubo talaga siya guys. Ipakita ko sa inyo ha. Every year tutubo siya. Ito siya. Ito. Ayan. Yung parang boundary balak. Maganda siya. Look. So, yan. So, every year tutubo yan. And, so yan. Hindi ko pa nakat yan. Kailangan siyang ikat para, kasi ito siya guys. Pag magbulak yan, mga ilang weeks lang. Maganda siya kasi with dark purple. Pero pagkatapos niyan, maganon na siya. Ito na lang yung dahon. Maganda naman yung dahon. Parang espada ba? Espada. Yung dahon. Look. Kita nyo sa malayuan yan. Pero yung bulak niya, mamatay na. Hindi na yan magbulak. Early spring or, or summer first, I think it's 8 o'clock na guys. 8 o'clock na ng umaga. Ganun. Ang daming ibon. Hi, good morning. We will dried fish. Eat dried fish.
You know, we're gonna transfer a couple things to your phone for you to watch.
Okay, hold on. Hi guys.
No, before you get time to watch. Just
Okay. Anyway guys, hello, good morning. Meron tayong clip, han. Meron. Okay, anyway guys, so good morning. Nag-ano na ako, nagtubig. Natakot ako kanina, akala ko may coyote doon sa harap. Ibon lang pala gumaganan. Naloka ako yung ibon na yun. Anyway, maayong aga sa lahat. Uy, ang saya. 7 o'clock something pa pala. Akala ko 8. Ay, buhay. Ang sarap magtubig sa labas. Yung parang early in the morning, yung maririnig mo is yung mga ibon. Kumakanta. Ang daming ibon guys sa mga kahoy sa gilid namin. Yung in between sa neighbors sa amin. Ang daming ibon talagang kumakanta as in. Anyway, masaya ako sa ganitong buhay. Kontento na ako. Content ako sa mga ganitong bagay. Yung mga simpleng bagay, masaya na, hindi komplikado yung buhay. Nag-garden ka, ang saya na titignan mo yung garden mo, and ang saya ng tubo ng mga halaman, ganun. And of course, iiwan na naman tayo ni Tommy. What? I think you can do it now. Try. Okay. I'll go over there. Nairita si Mister dahil ipadala ko raw ito lahat ng pagkain. Yung niluto ko. Doon sa labas, sabi pa niya, ipalabas ko muna si Roxy. Doon siya. Hi! Of course, ipalabas daw niya. Pero, I told Andrea, I'm going to her house Sunday. Bring some lettuce. Or maybe Saturday if I were not going hiking. So maybe I will join her with the video call. So yun, look at that.
I'm gonna try and log on from work, but I don't know if I can.
This is for me. It shows for Maryann, and it's not for everybody available. So you're leaving me, sir?
I am.
Am I going with you weekend? Huh? I'm going over there in the weekend.
No, why would you?
Why?
Because you got... What? The weekend. Tomorrow I go in early. Saturday I'm going... tomorrow is Saturday. Today
Why are you going early?
Didn't I tell you yesterday? Because they're bringing me a bunch of crap because there's stuff I don't have. So they told me I need to be
So
there
what early you
They
doing?
need to bring it to me and I have to be there and I have to get it done and be able to check whatever I can check. So, I can only check so much without... in the daylight. Really? Seriously, think about it. This is why we asked them to bring it to us at least a few days early.
Hi, Guapo. Hey. It's gonna be hot today. Oh, it's 67. It's 67 right now. It's perfect.
Yeah, it'll be 80. Tomorrow will be almost 90. Sunday will be almost 90. It'll be 85. Like that.
I'm home and I'm going to do woodwork. That's my job. Si Tommy nagtrabaho, ako maglilinis sa paligiran. Nairita siya kasi sabi niya, ano ba? Kailangan ko bang kainin lahat? Sabi ko, wag mong kainin lahat. Kung hindi mo kaya, hindi. Wag mong kainin. Simpleng bagay. You know, hindi ko naman ipadala yung lahat na sabihin ko na kainin mo yung lahat. Hindi naman. Ipadala ko lang, just in case. You know, pag magutom ka, meron kang choices. Hindi ka maging anek. So, ipadala natin ito. Yung broccoli rub. Paborito niya kasi ito, guys. Yung broccoli rub. I'm gonna probably get some chicken para hindi siya magagalit. Kasi nagagalit kasi ano daw yung kakainin ko. Sabi ko, excited ako magluto ng dried fish. Sabi pa, kainin mo lang ng dried fish buong weekend. Sabi niya, buong weekend kakain ba daw ako ng dried fish? Mag-separate tayo ng probably 2 chicken or you know, like 3 chicken. So yun lang yung sa akin. So hindi tayo, ipadala ko na lahat kasi guys, para may choices siya. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na ano, para masaya yung asawa natin, di ba? Yung yaong at saka yung bread. So, Sabi pa niya may tomato daw siya doon. Pinadala ko yung salad na hinarvest ko kahapon. So, yun. Yan. Ano ba yung andi? May nakalimutan mo. Kailangan po ipadala sa kanya kasi sabi ko sa kanya, bilhan ko siya. Kasi nagustuhan, hindi man nagustuhan, iniinom talaga niya ito, guys. Ito, nectar na guyabano. So, yun, iniinom talaga niya yan. Oh, why you say bye-bye to them? Why you say bye-bye outside? Hey, do you want some of the chocolate milk?
No, I have some.
You have? You don't like that? Did you say bye-bye to them, really? Did you kiss him? No, of course, but you kiss your son.
Only the little man.
Only the little man.
Only the little man, little man, little man.
Only the little man. Oh my God. You're biased. Honey, you are biased. We love you. We love you so much.
Love you too, hon.
We love you so much, you know that?
Yeah.
Okay, what? Anyway, I question.
What?
Oh.
Because some stuff they bring me may be on disc and I'll have to convert it.
You have to bring banana.
How much stuff did you put in there?
I got chicken for me, so you don't have to cry. So I got some food from your food. Because I said, okay, I will let him happy.
I want something before I go.
And I let you have the nectar guyabano, so. That you, yeah, I will pick.
You gotta pick up a couple, I guess.
Couple?
Yeah, try and find out how much they cost.
$4 something.
Alright, that's not so.
The fruit is expensive. If you find a fruit online,
Yeah.
it's expensive. Delivery,
Yeah.
with I found that delivery real fruit mixed with kind of fruit you want is like 100 something.
Wow.
Yeah, one fruit each from tropical fruits from Hawaii.
Yeah.
It's a freaking expensive, hon.
Yeah.
How many bottles do you need? Bottles?
Make up two.
2 or 3? Well, I have to look the expiration.
They last, so that's fine.
I have to look the expiration first. Go put him in.
Make sure I got the all the wire. Without the USB 3 wire, it ain't working.
Hey, put it over there.
Yeah,
Make sure that it's not gonna be expelled everywhere. Let it stand. Stand. Oh no, hon, that's not legal. Oh, you don't nail it yesterday?
No.
Okay, can you wiggle, huh? Slowly drive out. Oh, I forgot you're out here. I forgot. Dada left you out here. We forgot you're out here. Ah. We forgot. Tapos na ako dito nagtubig din. We forgot. Hala, Dada left. Dada si bye-bye. Dada do bye-bye. Dada bye-bye. Bye-bye, Dada. Bye-bye. Oh, Dada bye-bye. You're still driving home?
Yeah.
You left her like 8 something.
Seriously?
Seriously, hon, where did you stop?
What's up? Nowhere, gas.
I thought you're already home.
No, I'm in the Rochelle. I just got off in the Rochelle, but I'm not home.
Okay, I was talking to your sister since you left. She called me.
Why is that?
She called because yesterday she called and I don't answer. So now she's so now you were talking to Yvonne.
Oh, she called while I was on the line.
Yeah, and then I don't answer. I said, oh sorry, I was playing.
So what you saying?
She said, no, go for your hiking. Don't worry about the Zoom call. I said, I'd rather see the baby in real, like, I mean, in the picture or whatever, then hi guys, mag-weedwalk sana ako ngayon sa labas. Kaso, sleepy ako eh. Yung parang ang sarap matulog. I think mag-nap lang ako. And ngayong araw guys, wala po akong gagawin. Kundi, I think hindi din ako mag-vlog. I-end ko na tong vlog kasi wala naman ako. Gusto kong magpahinga. Wala akong ganap. Wala akong lakad. Andito lang sa bahay. Boring na. Wala nang nanonood sa atin dahil boring yung vlog kasi sabi ng iba boring. Diba? So, pasensya na kayo kung boring. Okay? Pero ito yung life ko eh. Pero hindi muna ako mag-vlog. Stop muna tayo mag-vlog ngayon. And then, continue tayo kung saan tayo mag-start. I-continue ko dito. Isumpay ko kung mag-vlog ako bukas or the next day. So, yun. So, yun siya, guys. And, yun. Salamat sa pag-click. And then, keep on watching. Baka may kasunod pa. May kadugtong. But anyway, so, i-end ko natin. Mag-nap lang ako. Magpahinga. Magpiyong. Matulog. Magpiyong ang mata. Anyway, guys. Thank you, guys. I will keep on watching. Okay?